Okay, let's look at solving 7 equals 3 lots of 2x minus 3. The thing that makes this awkward is the bracket present in this equation. So let's replace the bracket algebra with an expression which means the same thing but without the bracket in it. To do this, we simply expand the bracket on the right hand side of this equation. So I'm going to leave the 7 exactly unchanged and I'm going to expand the right hand side. So I say 3 times 2x, that's 6x. And now I say 3 multiplied by, notice how I say this, 3 multiplied by negative 3. There's a negative in front of it. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Don't automatically assume that because there's a minus there, that will become a minus there. In harder questions, that might catch you out. So I'll say it again, 3 times 2x, 6x, 3 times negative 3, negative 9. So I now have that 7 equals 6x minus 9. No bracket present, let's just proceed as an ordinary easy equation now. We've got x's on the right hand side, so I'm going to leave the 6x on the right hand side. I'm going to collect the number terms on the left hand side. I've got 2 number terms to deal with. Doesn't matter whether I deal with the 7 or the 9 first, I'll put the 7 down first. The 7 does not swap sides, it doesn't swap signs, it remains as a plus 7. There's a plus in front of it even though you can't see it. If it's the first thing I write down, I don't need to put the plus down. Notice it doesn't have to go directly underneath as long as it's on the left hand side, that's fine. The minus 9 now gets dragged across to the other side to join it, so the minus 9 swaps sides, becomes a plus 9 on the other side. Let's tidy up. On the left hand side I've got 7 plus 9 is 16. On the right hand side I've got 6x. So 16 equals 6x. I want to know what x is. So to go from 6x to x, I share by 6 on the right. So to keep it balanced, I take the 16 and I share that by 6 as well on the left. 16/6 is not a nice whole number, so you could leave that as a fraction, 16 over 6. But, as with all fractions, you should take time to check that it can cancel or not. And in this case it can cancel because you can share top and bottom of that fraction by 2. Share by 2, share by 2, 16/6 is the same as 8/3. And 8/3 is the solution to this equation.